Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Ghost the Freelancer. This is our second video tutorial for this week, and right now I am working on a hit called Video Intent Query Labeling. This one is the Japanese version. I would assume that the qualification questions will be the same as the EN. If they're not the same, they might be similar in nature. But let's jump into this. There is a guideline, and there is a quick guideline here. I'm going to refer to the quick guideline, or the simple guidelines, rather. We have to tag the query if it's majority video intent, or non-video intent. Going through the guidelines will really help you out in passing the qualification. So for majority video intent, it should be users issuing the query have video intent. These queries should show video answers at the top of the page. Example of this category includes, do remember this, adult actors or porn content, which prints likes, tutorial walkthroughs on how to, what is, trailer, and quotes from movie, TV show. Note that movie or TV show name should be video intent. Song titles that will fall under majority video intent. Television events or non-TV show. Specific television episode. Example given will be Seinfeld, Soup Nazi, Simpsons episode. Other video intent words like highlights, videos, scene, cats, YouTube. Video intent if a significant fraction of users, though not a majority, have video intent. Now, these queries should show video answers in the middle or bottom of the page. Now, example of these category includes celebrities, movie, TV shows, informational education intent, products for which a video is appropriate, such as a review, ads, demonstrations, video aggregator sites like video production companies, video site, channel, or username, travel, queries, etc. There's a lot to that. You can look at the query and check on these categories here. As we move along, the recording, I'll show you the thought process on how I work on this, and hopefully we pass this on our first attempt. Now, video intent should be easy. Movie, TV cast, navigational website, location including maps intent, non-video intent words including adult, pictures, for sale, MP3, download, torrent. Other non-video intent queries. So this is a bit confusing, especially between majority video intent and video intent. However, there is the guideline to guide you. Okay, where are the Bahamas? So this one will fall under non-video intent because this one belongs to the category locations including maps and geography, etc. Like navigational. Well, for me, that's the reason behind that decision. So I'm gonna go with non-video intent here. Moving on to the next is, what is Boyle's law? Informational educational intent. I'm gonna go here with video intent, not majority. Yep. Diameter. Not sure how to pronounce it properly. I'm not an English person. I am from the Philippines. Well, this is going to be informational. I'm gonna go with video intent here. Rancho Bravo. I'm gonna go here with video intent as well. Oh, it's non-intent, not video. We got one mistake. Please do get a screenshot of this. Rancho Bravo. The answer will be non-video intent. 420 amp blade fuse busman. It's a product. I'm gonna go here with video intent. Non-video again. Belongs to products for who, I don't know why, but two mistakes. 420 amp blade fuse busman is non-video intent. Two mistakes. Jersey Shore cast. This is album, online game, also product contents. Um, Now this is why it's confusing. Adult actors, tutorial, trailer, video, song titles, television events, products for which celebrities including, I'm gonna go here with video intent. Video as well. 3 mistakes, guys. All right, I'm totally confused, but hopefully you are capturing a screenshot of these error messages. Again, Jersey Shore cast will be non-video. Camel Spider, I'm gonna go here with video intent. Da Vinci Code, I'm gonna go here with video intent as well. Home Depot outlet covers, I'm gonna go here with non-video. Professional bull riders, I'm gonna go here with video intent. Oh, we passed the qualification that easy. 10, we got 3 mistakes out of 10. So if you commit 3 mistakes, you will still pass. Again, the name of the head that we qualified for today is video intent query labeling. This one is the Japanese version. I think we have a video like this that was uploaded last 2021 or 2020, early 2020, but I'm not sure. But this is going to be, similar to that, but it's just the part 2 of it, and hopefully I was able to explain further on how to work on this particular head app. I hope I was, really detailed on how I worked on this one. Please do not forget to subscribe to our tutorial channel, and you can find us on Facebook. Our group name is CLICKWORKER Philippines and Ghostly Hitters. By the way, the group is private, so you might have to send me a message for you to be able to join. And what else? That's it. See you on the next upload, and all the best, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.